So making a side income in the cryptocurrency market is probably why we are all so into cryptocurrency nowadays. So in this video, I would like to give you guys 5 extra ways on how to make simple side income in terms of cryptocurrency and in the cryptocurrency industry itself. Before I start the video, I just want to go ahead and give major credits to Chain Debrief. This video is very much inspired by Chain Debrief itself. They have very interesting articles related to cryptocurrencies. So if you guys are interested to check them out, you guys can go ahead and click the link in the description box below. Simple does not mean it is very easy. So once you get the idea of it, it is very simple for you to do so. So straight into the first point, which is farming and staking. Staking and farming is actually something like providing liquidity into a certain crypto pool or contributing computing power to help them process the blocks, and in return, you will be getting a fraction of that transaction fees as a reward. So that is how you can make money out of it. So you can do this through AMMs or automated market makers. So one of my favorite AMMs is PancakeSwap, and believe it or not, I've actually talked about it in my past video. So if you guys are interested in that one, you guys can go ahead and click the link top right. It's a really good platform, and I've been making most of my passive income in cryptocurrency from that platform itself, and I've been staking on this AMM since the start of the year. So from time to time in this kind of automated market makers, you guys will also come across 4 to 5 digit type of yields. But the thing for this kind of yields are always not going to last long, but at the same time, if you guys are able to stake at the right amount of time, you guys are still able to maximize the opportunity even for that short period of time. So that's a win for me as well. So here are the few AMMs that I believe is quite good, and you guys can go ahead and check it out. PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, Uniswap, 1inch, and there are a lot more of these AMMs out there. You just gotta go ahead and do your own research. They also utilize different network on the blockchain, so definitely consider that as well when you're choosing on which AMM to go into. So the next point, I would probably consider it as something like 1.5, and that is to stake your cryptocurrencies on a staking and lending platform. So just recently, I have actually shared a staking and lending platform on my channel as well, which is Celsius. It is definitely one of the platforms that I came across that I really like a lot. So this is how you can generate a side income or passive income from Celsius itself. Celsius will use your cryptocurrency and loan it out to people who want to take a loan for whatever reasons, and in return, they will give you back a promised yield in that period of time. So that is how you are able to make more money and a side income just from Celsius. Whew, it's definitely been a while since I've done my research into cryptocurrency like this, and I'm starting to feel the fun of researching into cryptocurrency. So if you guys are enjoying it so far, definitely smash the like button, subscribe so to expect more crypto videos in the future. So next up, the second way is play to earn games, and I believe most of you guys have already seen this one coming. And when it comes to play to earn games, the first thing or the first game that comes into your minds is probably Axie Infinity. So I personally have friends who plays Axie Infinity and have single-handedly made over 3,000 ringgit per month. So definitely these things do work. Not to mention, there are headlines saying that this Filipino guy actually bought 2 houses just by playing NFT games. Such a crazy headline, right? I don't play it myself personally, but you guys can go ahead and try it out if you guys are interested in doing that. So these are the few best play to earn games according to Coin Bureau's video. Number 1, So Rare. It's basically a football NFT game where you just have to grind for cards. The rarer the card, the more expensive you can sell it, and you just know how it goes around play to earn games. All you gotta do is keep playing, keep grinding, and therefore you guys can go ahead and level up, get all of those rare cards, and then go ahead and sell them. Now I don't know too much about So Rare, so definitely don't take my word for it. The second play to earn game on the list is Town Star. This is something very close to Townville, the OG Facebook game, which if you guys know, you definitely know. The good old days where we just compare ourselves on Restaurant City levels instead of just compare our likes on Douyin and Instagram. Hi sisters! The better days, definitely. So players can earn town coins when they use NFT to play the game, and town coins is basically a coin that allows you to have a lot of benefits and buy a lot of stuffs in game. And if I'm not mistaken, town coin is probably the coin that you may earn and sell to make money. So if you guys are interested in that, once again, go ahead and do your research. Don't take my word for it. Last game on the list is probably a lot more famous, and I've seen this on various news articles online, and that is the Sandbox 3D. This game is basically just like Roblox. Oh! Players can actually build their own lands and build their own games within the game itself. buy in-game assets to do whatever they want. So for that, they can either sell their lands as an NFT on an open marketplace, or they can actually charge people for sand coins for playing their game that they created instead. So there are two ways to make money from the sandbox 3D itself. So that is all that I have for the 3 play to earn games. Moving on to the next point, which is flipping NFTs, which is very much in trend right now. As you guys can see, there are a lot of hype around NFTs and influencers are posting it left and right. Even people like Logan Paul are involved in NFT projects like this. And most of the time, if people like Logan Paul are involved in this kind of stuff, you just kind of cannot take them seriously, but these things do work. Again, I personally have a friend who flips NFT on the Solana chain, and he makes quite a decent amount of money. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out the open marketplace for NFT, you guys can go ahead and search OpenSea, Rarible, or if you want to work on the Solana chain, you guys can go ahead and search Solan Art, and hopefully make a quick profit and get rich quick. I'm just kidding, not a lot of things can get you rich very fast, therefore definitely do your own research, because there are some people that I know as well who lost money just by trying to flip NFTs. So it is never a guarantee in the space. So the fourth way to make side income from cryptocurrency is to get airdrop cryptocurrencies from certain platforms. For this, it is really subjective for different platforms, but I will explain the more common one, which is when a new cryptocurrency space is created within the industry, they will be using the airdrop method to attract new users to come onto their platform. If you guys don't know what airdrop means, it means that the platform is basically giving random users some free cryptocurrency token. That actually sounds like a giveaway to use their platforms. So if you're using a new crypto space in the industry itself, there is a chance that you will be receiving an airdrop cryptocurrency token into your wallet directly, and you guys can go ahead and liquidate it if you want, or hold it if you believe in that project or growing further in the future. What kind of cryptocurrency you will be receiving is subjective, depends on what platform you are using. But even then, airdrops cannot guarantee you with the safety of using their platforms. Some of the platforms out there could very well be a rug pull. So this is when your own research comes to play. If you believe in your own research, then feel free to go ahead and use it. If you receive an airdrop, then good for you. So the last point is to get a job in cryptocurrency firms or organizations. I know this kind of sound like it's not a side income, it's more like a main income kind of thing, like you gotta get a full-time job in a cryptocurrency project or an organization. But I just thought that it is very interesting to include this point into this video as well. And this is one of the ways to be paid in cryptocurrency when you work for a crypto organization. If you have coding skills in various languages like Python, AI, machine learning, Java, etc., then you're definitely in need, and your skill is definitely in demand in this kind of cryptocurrency organizations as well. But if you're looking to work in a crypto organization and have no coding skills, don't worry, there are definitely other positions for you as well. Positions like digital marketing, social media marketing, financial analyst, data science, and etc., including financial analysts as well. So why did I include this point in this video? Some crypto organizations, when they hire someone to work for them, they will be paying them in their native tokens. Like the platform that I use a lot, which is PancakeSwap, I have seen them posting on social media that the staffs will be paid in Cakecoin itself, which is their native token. If you're wondering where do I find this kind of job listings, maybe you're interested in it, then go ahead and follow this kind of crypto organizations or project page on Twitter itself. From time to time, organizations or projects like this do need people with high skills, just like probably you on the screen right here watching this video. Really, you just gotta go ahead and do your own research in this crypto space, because a lot of things are subjective and not fixed. But I just hope that this video has been really helpful to you guys and have opened your minds in the cryptocurrency space on how to make side income. And like I said in my past video, human cannot stop innovation. We can only adapt to it. And there are tons of opportunities out there. You just have to go ahead and get it yourself. DM me on Instagram if you guys have any questions on the stock market or crypto market. I'll try to reply you. And if I don't know, then you guys can go ahead and join the Discord community. Link in the description box below as well. Also, you guys can go ahead and follow my Instagram if you guys are interested in seeing what I post from time to time. Quite interesting life that I have. You guys are missing out a lot. So with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video.
We was playing games, got you dancing in the middle of the club, got you dancing in the middle of the club.